There is no summer without veggie burgers. Endless variations. Today, I am making a juicy adzuki bean and mushroom burger. I have 2 cups of cooked adzuki beans, but you can use many different kinds of canned beans. Drained. Now I add half a cup of semolina flour. You can substitute all-purpose, chickpea, or even buckwheat flour. Then I add half a cup of cooked pearl barley. I add 1½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sweet Hungarian paprika, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, and 2 tablespoons ground flaxseed. I have 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, and 4 cremini mushrooms. Also a quarter of a medium-sized cooked beetroot. Next, I roughly grind the onion and garlic. And I add them to the mixture. Next, I roughly grind 2 cups of rolled oats. I leave a small amount of oats in the grinder and I add the beetroot and grind. I roughly chop the mushrooms so the burgers have a better texture. Here I have 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar already mixed. And I add it to the mixture. I use my hands to mix to feel the texture. Finally, I add 1/4 cup of white wheat gluten. That gives it a meaty texture. The mixture looks like meat, and it has small pieces of veggies that add to the texture. Now I oil my board. Next, I add a little oil to my hands and begin forming the patties. Next, I heat 5 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. In the hot oil, quickly sear both sides of the burgers. Now I lower the heat, cover it, and simmer for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. I keep adding a little oil after each batch is done. And the burgers are done. The burgers look and smell amazing. Let's taste. So good. Too. It's juicy with a bite. I baked these buns a few days ago. My toppings today are horseradish mayonnaise, onion, fermented tomatoes, and spring salad. Simple but delicious. Juicy veggie burger. Bye for now. See you next time.